Hello class, how are you all? Have you enjoyed your holidays? Yes, okay. Now this is the time to study. So come back to studies. Okay? Today we'll read the third chapter of your literature book. The name of the chapter is Dirty Bathwater. Okay? Just tell me one thing, that have you heard the proverb that cleanliness is next to godliness? I hope that you all have heard about it. That cleanliness is next to godliness. Guys, your mama always asks you to be clean. She used to ask you to take a bath daily, है ना? Brush your teeth twice a day at least, isn't it? Yes guys, we all know that all human beings like to stay clean. Do you have any idea that animals also want to do so? Yes, animals also wants to be clean. This story is based on an animal who likes to be clean, who loves cleanliness. That animal is a horse, a royal horse. So let's start the chapter. Once upon a time, in a kingdom, the finest of the royal horses was taken down to the river to be bathed. The grooms took him to the same shallow pool where they always washed him. Guys, there was a kingdom. Kingdom is a state. There was a kingdom and there were many royal horses. Among all the royal horses, the finest one, finest means the best one, the best horse was taken down to the riverside to be bathed. By whom? By the grooms. Grooms are the persons who take care of animals, especially horses. The grooms took him to the same shallow pool where they always washed him. Means the horse always washed by the grooms in a same pool. However, just before they arrived, a dirty horse had been washed in the same spot. He had been caught in the countryside and had never had a good bath in all his life. Means this time when the grooms arrived near the pool, they saw that a very dirty horse had been washed in the same pool where the royal horse used to be bathed. That dirty horse had been caught in the village side, and it looks that he had never taken the bath in all his life. It was very dirty. The fine royal horse sniffed the air. He knew right away that some filthy wild horse had bathed there and fouled the water. So he was disgusted and refused to be washed at that place.